Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Halo Infinite error code 0x80070005 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that reads that something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait a bit and try again or restart your device. That may help. Followed by error code message 0x80070005. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match to come back with command prompt, right click on it, and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, go ahead and type in SFC, followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and type in CHK, DSK, space / R. Again, exactly how you see it on my screen. So CHK, DSK, space / R. Hit enter on your keyboard. So check this cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? Tap the Y key on your keyboard and then hit enter. So this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts. You want to go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. So it will prompt you if you want to skip the disk checking, press any key. I would not recommend pressing any key. In my case, I'm going to press a key because I don't want the scan to go on for like an hour. In many cases it would. This computer is pretty quick, but I'm actually going to skip over the disk checking here. But in your case, you're going to go ahead and let it proceed as anticipated and as expected. Let it run normally, basically. You can also attempt to reinstall Halo as well. That's also another possible workaround for you guys as well. And we can also try repairing the Xbox application. So if you were to open up the search menu and type in apps and features, best match to come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. You want to search for the Xbox app. So go ahead in the apps list field, type in Xbox, and then select the Xbox application and then three-dotted icon next to it, and select Advanced Options. You want to scroll down underneath where it says Reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select the Repair button and give it a moment here. And if you're still having a problem, so attempt to launch the game, but if you're still having an issue after this, go ahead and reset the Xbox app. So if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select Reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select Reset. And then once that's done, I would suggest restarting your computer once again. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.